Hello guys, in this video you're going to discover how to make money with affiliate marketing with no money at all. So it is going to be 100% free method, no investment needed, no credit card required, and this is totally beginner friendly, right? So the website or the company that I talk about is called HerculesPlus.com. So head off to Hercules.com, you're going to land over to this site. So what it does is this website is going to help us to send 1,000 traffic, all right, for literally free. 100% traffic. Free real people means real traffic to your website. So we're going to be able to show our product, which is our affiliate product, to 1,000 people every single day, guys. So just imagine we're going to be able to access 1,000 people every single day, equal to 30,000 people every single month. So just imagine if 5% convert from our affiliate offer, we're going to be make a lot of money already with 100% free traffic. Okay, so this is very powerful, and you can also make additional income with this program, which is 50% of commission when people get sign up to Hercules.com, right? So you just need to scatter your affiliate link all over the internet, and then you are going to earn 50% commission. Okay, so what you need to do next is simply click sign up. So the sign up process is very straightforward. There's no credit card information needed, there's no upfront investment at all. So you can fill in your first name, second name, and your email address and password. So I have already signed up, so I'm just going to click a login, and then I'm going to head off to this page over here. So I'm going to sign up again. Oops. So I'm going to save. So I'm going to click to the member area, and I'm going to click at the mailers. Okay, so you're going to need to go through a couple of ads before you can actually land over that particular site, which is I think completely okay because this is free website. So it is fair enough for us because we're going to leverage 1,000 lists from this website for literally free. All right, so I'm going to click continue to add mailers. So this is the page, the exact page that we need to work with. Okay, so this is all the rules. You need to go through the rules. So this is the paid version. They have the paid version, but in this particular video we're going to literally use the free version. So no points or illegal business opportunity, no subject lines such as account terminated, or any other subject lines that are made to appear to be coming from Hercules admin, blah blah blah. Alright, so I highly recommend you to go through the entire rules before we wanted to use this wisely, otherwise you're going to get banned and then you'll not be able to do it anymore. Alright, so take a look at this one. Free members can send and add daily to 1,000 random members. Okay, this is 1,000 random members. You need to bear in mind that this is not a targeted people. Okay, so that you need to choose your affiliate offer wisely, which is I'm about to reveal to you just a second. And with this email, no credit or keys needed for the daily mailing. As I told you, there's no credit card information or whatsoever needed, right? So you can submit regular mailer at now, yes, right? So so this is your subject line that you need to put in, and this is your affiliate offer and your body copy here. Okay, so this is the first part, which is the traffic. We're going to be utilizing 1,000 people every day, 1,000 real traffic. And now I'm going to walk you through the second part, which is the affiliate offer. So where could we get the affiliate offer, and what type of offer that actually can work well with this 1,000 random members, right? This is very crucial. You cannot choose choose a product or a niche that really narrow down too narrow, because at the end it's not going to convert. So that we need to analyze. We need to only find a product that most people will more likely to buy from us. Okay, so that's the key. So before I reveal to you what is the offer, I really appreciate if you could drop a like for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I talk a lot about how to make money online and affiliate marketing. Right, So let's dive into our second step, which is our affiliate offer. So I'm going to be utilizing ClickBank. You are free to use whatever affiliate platform, whether a JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or Digistore24. It doesn't matter. Okay. So now I highly recommend you to go for 3 niches, which is e-business and marketing, which is under wealth and health and fitness. Okay, and then another one is under self-help. Okay, because these 3 niches is the best converting niches, is the most profitable niches in the world. So that is why I highly recommend you to only promote these 3 niches, because we are going to promote to 1000 random members. This is not targeted members, right? So that is why we need to find a broad niches whereby people will more likely to purchase. All right, so since we are in the pandemic, okay, everybody locked down, so I think that people will more likely to interested to make some supplemental income online. Okay, so that is why I chose the e-business and e-marketing. So next, what you need to do is you can literally find whatever product within these niches, but in this particular videos I'm going to promote perpetual income 365. Right, so I'm going to click on the affiliate JV. So because we're going to leverage this affiliate JV page, so scroll down until you find the email swipe. Right, so we're not going to write our own. So that is why I say that this is 100% beginner friendly, because you don't even need to have some sort of experience or skill how to write the ad copy or headline or whatsoever. Okay, so what you need to do is take a look at here, brand new 2021, swipe, click here for access. So I'm going to click, we're going to access all the email swipe. Okay, so boom, this is all the email swap. Okay, this is swipe number 1. So you can go through one by one which swipe that you think that the most compelling, then can convert people to buy. I can't believe this work. So I just want to take a look at the headline, because headline is the most important. Experience not required, that's cool as well. So are you in or are you out? That is okay. Great a minute. Right, okay, I'm out. So most of the airline is pretty general. Let's take a look back. Recession proof income, work fast. I think this is good, right? Because recession proof income, right? So it's stated here income, because as you can tell, we're going to promote to random people. So this kind of like giving the some hint, right? Some hint what is this ad copy is all about, right? So for those of them who are interested to make money, make some supplemental income, this keyword here may attract the attention. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to select this one, and then going to click copy and go ahead here, and then subject line I'm going to paste it here. So that would be our headline, and then I'm just going to copy the entire ad copy, and then click copy, and then I'm going to put it here. All right, so I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click promote, because we need to get our affiliate offer. Then I'm going to type in here perpetual. Okay, so that would be our tracking ID, so that we can track which offer that convert. So generate hot links, then I'm going to simply click copy here, and then I'm going to paste it here. All right, and I also going to paste it, where is the affiliate link? Okay, this one, right? Going to click here to see why I'm going to, or I can actually, let's see whether or not I am able to hyperlink that. Okay, it's okay. So I'm just going to delete that, since we already have our affiliate link in text URL here. Okay, that's all. So what I'm going to need to do is just simply click submit ad, and then click submit. Alright, ad successfully submitted to 1000 members. Okay, back to mailer. So I'm going to click back to mailer. So you can see here I'm not be able to add or to submit more ads. I'm gonna need to wait for 7 hours, almost 8 hours, in order to submit another ads. But it is completely okay, because you can literally sign up with another email account, and then you suddenly going to get another account, and then you can just do the exact same thing again and again, right? So that is how you're going to be able to make money with affiliate marketing without any investment, with no money at all. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you could find some value throughout this video. All right, so I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.